Hi, I'm Sherry Fields with Berkshire Hathaway, Montana Properties, and I'm about to go over the 20 most important questions that you should ask before you even think about engaging a realtor, whether you're buying or selling your home. Sellers often ask, what should I do to get my house ready for sale? And I tell them that in the beginning we will do a walk through the entire house, room by room, looking at all of the areas. And with that we will discuss what needs to be decluttered. And by that I mean removing all personal items that reflect your tastes and your family that a buyer cannot get beyond to see how they might fit into your home. Then we'll look at items that might need to be repaired, such as a hole in a wall or a hole in a door. What items might be needed to have repainted or cleaned, such as the carpets or walls even. And together we can explore the ways to get the items done in a budget-friendly way. And in some cases, we will discuss staging services and whether they could be used to accent the most positive features of your house. Hi, it's Sherry again. Thank you for watching. And if you want all of the 20 videos in the series, just go to my website, sherryfieldsrealestate.com/20questions. You'll get immediate access and a bonus cheat sheet so that you can save them.